Let's talk about the seventh type of wasteful activities, motion waste. Now it's different from weighting, from non-utilized skills in transportation. Motion waste is the overexertion, almost like the overproduction of your actions. And so when people are being wasteful with their movements, it's because they're taking too many steps. They're taking too many swings. They're not using leverage. They're not using their time and their energy effectively. And that falls down on a lack of training, a lack of proper standards on what's safe and what's the most effective, and then everybody following that standard. So I've seen it time and time again, whether it's a manufacturing floor, a construction site, or even an office. Motion waste is one of the biggest causes of waste of time, energy, and money for a company. Some of the best ways to reduce motion waste is to work with your team and assess how things are being done right now, and look at it from multiple perspectives with different eyes and different ears to see what is the best route to go, and then making that the standard. So if you want to see how we help teams implement new standards to reduce motion waste, check us out at serviceleadersystems.com.